Hi everybody. I'm on the west coast of Washington today. I'm near Long Beach and I'm at Cape Disappointment State Park. This area here is called Beard's Hollow, and there's an overlook up there that I just stopped at. I'm going to be hiking on the Discovery Trail today that kind of goes parallel to the beach, and it goes for several miles. I'm going to do it out and back. It's been pouring rain this morning and we just have gotten a break. So it'll probably be dependent on the weather, how far I go. So just came out onto this little boardwalk to look over the hollow. There's parking here for about 20 cars. And over here to the right is the beginning of the trail. No motor vehicles or horses, pedestrian and bicycles. Keep dogs on leash. The frogs are happy. Well, the trail's a bit flooded here. Let's see what we've got. Oh my. Yeah. Not going this way. My goodness. Yeah. Several inches thick of water. I think we'll try and go out to the beach and see what we can get. Okay, I've turned around a little bit. And there's a side trail here that goes out to the water. Let's see if we can get out there. Here, a bald eagle. Don't see him. Okay, the trail to the left is flooded. We're going to try to the right. The tide's low, so I'm just going to make my way along the beach here. There's an outflow we need to cross, and I saw a car drive through it. It looked pretty wet, so heading back up here to the trail to see if we can stay out of the water up here. As I said, the trail here, the paved part, is back a bit from the beach. We're in the middle of the trees, but there are a few viewpoints and it's pretty fun. I just was able to see a bald eagle. He's right on the ground, right at the edge of the surf line there. I believe it's an immature because it doesn't have a white head. But yeah, when I get home, I'll zoom in on them a little bit and make sure. But haven't seen that before. That was fun. Well, that was another exciting discovery. Seeing a snake. I don't see them very often, especially out here by the beach. So he was resting up on the grass and he didn't slither away, so he probably, I didn't interfere with him too much, and he probably likes that spot. Hopefully it's warm and he's getting warmed up for the day. We've come to another outflow. It's coming into the ocean here. Couple people with their dogs. The trail goes off to the right, and I bet there's another bridge that we can cross over. There's a Jeep on the beach. I think before I cross the bridge, I'm gonna head out down to the shoreline there. There's a bunch of seagulls. Yep, the Jeep's gonna drive right through the water. Boop. It's got high clearance. Got a bunch of crows here. See if we can find anything interesting on the way back. I've arrived back at the trailhead now. My GPS measured that at just about 5 miles. And once I got back around that detour at the beach, it stopped raining. I had a great time in this last little section here. There were 5 or 6 salamanders, and they were moving kind of slow because it's cold. But I've only ever seen 2 or 3 before, so that was kind of a bonus for this hike. I would say that this is a really accessible trail. It's really nicely blacktopped. There's no steps, and it's very smooth, and there's just a little bit of downhill here as you're starting out. Otherwise, it's basically flat. So yeah, I think this is a great year-round trail. That one section was flooded and I went around that, but I bet that'll dry out within a few days, and it's just a really pretty park, and yeah, highly recommend it.